just arrived in Chebbi in the desert after driving through the high Atlas Mountains from Marrakesh, and actually we've only been here for about half an hour and we've already booked ourselves on a camel ride for in a couple of hours. So
nice sunset camel ride.
Yeah,
after a long drive, sweating in the van.
Yeah, we'll go sweat in the desert instead.
Now we're going to go sweat in the desert. Have you ever rid a camel before?
No, I have never been on a camel. Been on a horse.
I've never been on a camel.
Not been on a camel.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous actually. They're really high.
They are really high.
Yeah.
And we've decided tomorrow we're actually going to book onto a dune buggy.
Dune buggy.
We're driving a buggy across the Sahara. I guess you follow a guide and yeah, that should be
cool.
fun.
Yeah, it'll be loads of fun.
You only live
like
once.
Extreme sports in the desert.
How you doing, Ash? It's just funny watching you do stuff.
Why?
I don't know.
Can you stop filming me?
How you doing, Ashley?
Don't film me. Oh, I'm exhausted.
It looks so much smaller down there.
Dead.
Look a bit red there.
Stop filming. Do you have any idea where our guides have gone?
I actually don't.
If we went down there now to find our camels, we're stuck. Where are our people?
Our people and our camels have left us.
Our camels are down there.
Somewhere.
However, I don't see any people.
Don't do what I did and get told off.
Yeah. Alright, that sounds
So the experience we've just had was amazing. I would recommend it to anyone. Anytime you come to the Sahara Desert, get a dune buggy. It's just amazing. Like, words can't describe how much fun we just had. So tonight we're going to go to a safari tent in the desert. You go there, what they've told us, we get there, we have a meal. After the meal, some live music and have a few drinkies. Should be fun. Our cute little home.
We're in the desert. We're camping in the desert. We're in a tent in the desert.
Wop, wop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look how floaty you look.
So we had an incredible night last night, camping right in the middle of the desert. We stayed in a beautiful tent. We had dinner, we had tagine, there was fire, music, dancing. It was incredible. And today, sadly, we leave. But it's not too sad because there's a lot more to look forward to. We're heading up north now. We're going to go and visit Fez. And on the way there, we're going to go through, I think it's Azrou. And go and see these little wild monkeys that we've heard so much about, hang out with them for a little bit. Yeah, with our main destination after being Fez. So, yeah.
Oh.
You guys are so cute. You come out this way. So nice.
That's a big shot.
They're so sweet. Nice.
Ow, you just pinched me.
You can take that.
Ashley, you want to buy some leather?
Buy some dead cow.
How does it smell?
Stinks really bad. They gave us mint a minute ago and we threw it away.
I wish we did.
No, I wish we kept it. You gotta like stick the mint up your nostrils.
Where have the chips gone?
In my belly. I was hungry. And it's good mayonnaise.
First time we've had good mayonnaise in ages.
I love mayonnaise. I love potatoes.
Where are we, Ashley?
We're in Blackpool, the tuk-tuk.
It's not even a tuk-tuk, it's a trailer. There's a man driving a motorbike.
So we're parked up at a campsite near Fez. Our ferry's meant to be in 2 days back to Spain. However, we've just heard that all the borders have been closed, so can't get back yet. So we've basically made a plan now to go and hunker down at a campsite in Marrakesh with 2 couples that we've met here, and just wait out the storm until we can get back. What's happening in the world right now?
Corona.
Corona.
Not the good kind.
No.
This is our lockdown facility.
Yeah.
Got some Aussie mates. Got
Sam and Kat, Shelley and Debbie over there.
Yeah.
This is home.
This is home for the next month.
Yeah. This is where we live.
Beautiful.
This is Kat. Oh, it's a crazy days we're living in. And Van's a mess.
Always, because Ashley's a mess.
No, I tidy good.
What's all this?
Oh, I'm putting the lotion in the spray bottle. Hey, what do you look like?
I look like bloody Indiana Jones, mate.
Indiana Jones, right? Bruce is making pea and mint risotto.
In the chef of the house tonight.
Here's the gang.
For our host.
And it is going down. It would have stayed at like 12 feet. When we run out tomorrow to the supermarket,
It's our family meal, family quarantine meal.